So, why blogging? I want to tell you something. You can earn from blogging. Oh my god. Okay, so blogging is arguably the best type of online business you can start today. You don't need a lot of money to start a blog. Everyone knows that. Yeah, right? Yes. So you don't even need a specialized skills or technical knowledge. That's good. And the best of all, you can work from anywhere you want. It is location dependent business. You can work from anywhere. Imagine working from your pajamas from wherever you want and whenever you want, without a boss breaking down your brain and neck. Think of it. It's so good to hear, but it's quite tough to start. So go start your blog today.